Hello and welcome back to Full Scholarships. Today we'll be discussing about fully funded scholarship in Australia. It's provided by the University of New England for the session 2022 and the scholarship is fully funded. But before that, let me remind you, if you are not followed us on Instagram, please click the follow button. Also, if you are not subscribed to our YouTube channel yet, please press the subscribe button. You can also apply to our previous opportunities that we have posted, and the links are in their respective descriptions. You can also comment down below any video, we will provide you the link. So for today's video, you can get the link from video description, or you can also get it from Instagram bio here. You can also message us on Instagram and ask for the link, or you can watch our story on Instagram and swipe up to the link. So after you click on the link from the video description below, you will be redirected to this page. Here you will read the details about the scholarship that will cover Masters and PhD in Australia. And the university is located in the New South Wales. And here are the list of courses that are available under this scholarship. The deadline for the scholarship is 30th of September. So you have 5 days left from right now. Here is the eligibility criteria and benefits of the scholarship. And this is the genuine documents that are required, and we have made the list of 7 important documents. Also, this scholarship requires IELTS and TOEFL score. Here is the application process. Simply click on this apply now. After clicking on this apply now button, you will be redirected to University of New England official website. Here you will read the how to apply section. And before applying, we recommend you familiarize with the course and unit catalog. So here are the steps. You have the 6 steps, but you have to only complete the first 3 steps, because we have to determine our research topic, find our course or school, then submit the application. Simply you can do that here. You can read details, find the courses. I have already done that. You have to do your own. So here is the submit candidature application. So simply you have to read details, and here you can see SGR candidature application form. Simply click on this and let the document download. Here you can see a document has been downloaded. So let me show you that. But before that, I'll tell you that after you complete this process or these steps of submitting application, you have to wait for the outcome here. After your outcome is there, after you have accepted the research, you have to simply contact research services, and here you can see you have to click here on this Ask Uni portal, but that is after you get acceptance and you have to proceed for the next steps. And here is the international visa and fees for other details that are also mentioned on this website. So let me open the form that we have downloaded from here, the application form. So here you can see the application form has been downloaded. So I have the proof of citizen, and name change I don't require. English requirements, you have to only mark those details that you are going to attach. So in my case, the IELTS and TOEFL is required, and I have also one course option there which do not require. So if your course is requiring the IELTS, then only mark this, otherwise leave it blank. Simply I have previous documentations and evidence of supervision also. I have also research proposal. I have my research proposal. You can get it from our website, know how to make a research proposal. Do not copy paste, only just have a highlight on this how to make one. So I have a referee report also, and I will submit my other achievements too. So I am also mentioning others. Then I am applying for the both candidature and scholarship. So candidate, here you can see the third option, we have to then submit. We have to submit the both candidature and scholarship. So I also tell you that if you have completed this application, then you have to send it via this link, or you can simply send it on the email. I will show you the email. Then you have to scroll down to other page. Here you can see the personal details. You have to submit the personal details and your date of birth, male, female, and then If you have previously applied, then your identity number, address, your country, telephone, mobile, email, postcode, and then speed needs. Do you have any special needs? No, we do not have. Do you identify an Australia? No, we don't have. So domestic applications, New Zealand applications, Australia, no, we have nothing to do with. We are international applications here. So country of citizenship, English proficiency undertaken, yes, I have taken. If you do not have, select no. And my previous qualification like bachelor's and the percentage in institute, grade, and years of, you have to submit that details. Then my postgraduate experience, I don't have employed, so I am leaving this blank. So I have publications and then other details of that. So I have no non-traditional. So awards I have received during, but I will mention that. Then candidate application section 2. I am applying for Masters of Science and I am applying for full-time on campus. So I am the proposed date. So you have to submit proposed date. This is just a random, you have to submit your own and submit these answers, your proposed school that you are choosing, and brief summary on research problem that you will be solving. So I have one contact, I will be submitting that, and then research proposal. Simply then no, I am not currently studying. So no, I am not transfer student. So previous degree by research course, no, it was just an academic. So advanced standing, yes, I have some awards and I have to submit that. After that, application type, here you have to answer this question carefully. So you can also submit that, and this also you can mark this also. So this international postgraduate is important, then others are optional, and this is for the domestic. We are not domestic, so we are international. Have you already offered? No, we have not yet. If you have, then submit the course details. No, I am not a transfer, and submit other finance details. If you have any previously scores, you can also submit that. So are you applying for, you will receive any. So I am applying, yes. If yes, then you have already. So I do not have currently anyone to sponsor this. I am asking for this scholarship. That's why I am submitting no here. So if unsuccessful application, do you wish to continue online application? I will still study if I get the acceptance, and I may take other options of scholarships, but you have to get at least the offer from the university. So then I will be taking sponsorships. So then you have to submit this statement of purpose. So here is the statement of purpose can be submitted directly to the research. So we have to submit statement of purpose on this email here. So I have my PDF ready, and then I will submit on this. Similarly, here are the referees. I have contacted few professors of previous institute. You have to submit that details completely here. After that is the declaration that I have signed and date, and then here you should note that if you do not sign this either by digitally or by physically printed, it will not be accepted without signature. So you have to simply sign this importantly. So I hope you have seen all the steps. So after you complete all the details, take the printout of this form, make a PDF or just digitally sign this and make a PDF for this or doc ready for this. So I will show you the next steps. As you see, we have completed all the application process. So you have to go to this page where I shown you that section of email and the link to submit. Here you have to simply open this link. You can see Ask Uni website. Simply open this link. So here I have opened that link, and here you can see clearly. Please make sure you download Canjur application, and before starting, once you have completed your application, you can submit your application via this Ask Winnie portal. Click on this Ask Winnie portal here. So simply you can check the portal here. If you have previously made your email ID and password, you can simply submit that. Otherwise, for us, we have to create one. So simply click create account. Now submit your email password and verify password, other details, and finish this account creation. So let me complete my account creation. I will create my account, then get back to you. So after filling all details, once you are filling this, it will take you to the international studies student portal. So once you fill all the details, click create account. So here you can check my account has been created. So let me go to the home here. Click on this home. So after clicking on this portal, here you can see we have logged in with the details, and click on my history here, and here you can see the apply now button. Here the apply now button, click on this apply now button, and it will take you to the what is your residency status. Select other, and then click on this go to UNE International. After clicking on this UNE International, here you can see, so we have to click here on this apply online. Now after click on this apply online, you can see we have to log in here with the same details that we have made previously. So let me log in. So it's not accepting the previous login, so we have to create new account here. So click on this create account. Now fill all the details mentioned here: your title, first name, last name, your gender, your nationality, whatever it be. So submit that. So let me submit my details and get back to you. After filling all the details, click create account. So here you can see we have successfully created account. So you will soon receive a message in email, so we have to confirm on that. So click OK. So after that, check your email. So here you can see the application guide. Simply read the details here and click next. Now submit the course that you are interested to study. So I am applying for masters, so on campus full time, and I am applying for TOT course. So we have to submit the course. Here you can check all the course. So choose according to your, I am choosing my course here. So you have to find your course. So here is the environmental science. Then simply submit next. So here you can see to create an application, please shortlist a course being using the screen. So I have to create package. So let me, here it's still loading, so let the page load. So here you can see the courses have been shown on this. So I am selecting this and then click next. So here you can see select this course, and I am applying from this February intake. Then click apply, or about to create. So I am selecting yes. So here you can see we have to submit. Please verify. Okay, so we have to verify our email. First let me verify my email. Now after verify email, click submit. So okay, so just refresh this page, click on submit. Okay, so we have to enter the contact details. We have to fill the details. So we have to fill all details mentioned here. So let me fill my details. After filling all details, click next. Now add passport details and these education details. So let me fill these details here. You have to upload documents here, and then I'll get back to you. Select these details, your passport number and expiry date and issuing authority. Then click add document and save. Similarly, submit education details and other details. After filling all details, click on this submit. So I want to submit yes. So answer these questions. I don't have any disability. No. say no, then save and close. No, next. I am not, next. Say yes, next. No, next. Next. No, I am not, select next. So say yes, next. Next. So yes. Here I declare, then simply save and proceed. So here the application has been successfully submitted, so it's pending for an evaluation. So simply check details and you can track here. So simply we have submitted the application and it's online now. What we have done previously is, let me show you that. Here you can see that application that we have completed here. We can also send hard copy, or we have submitted here also. Now we have to send it on the email. So let me show you this email where you have to send and confirm your scholarship. So you have only submitted application here online, but you have to confirm it from the mail while attaching all the documents. So let me show you the email ID. Also you have to do this statement of purpose must be submitted in this email. So you have to ask your professor to send, and like if you have made your like statement of purpose, you have to send this not to professor, but you have to send on this email the PDF that you have completed with the application reference number that you have created here. So you have to submit this student ID and include this, send it on this email ID with the subject of your application stating that it's my statement of purpose. So let me show you the other email. So after you complete this application, you will be receiving an email stating that you have to send this hard copy, this application via email. So after you get an email that we have evaluated your application, it is being accepted, or it's not accepted, like it is being sent for next step, that is the evaluation step. So then they will ask attach this application form to your email. So you have to attach this email, attach this document to your email that you will be receiving from university after submitting this application. So I hope you have understood all the steps. I think that this application was the lengthy. It has some different processes. Different countries have different processes. So I hope you have understood. If you have still any doubts, you can submit it. But I recommend watching full video first, then apply. You can also skip 1 or 2 steps that I have expanded. So you can skip those steps and submit application directly. So you can do one thing, that you can do submit online application here directly without filling this application first. So when you get this email, then you can submit that and save your time. Thank you for watching. Please do subscribe. Please like this video. Also, if you are not followed us on Instagram, please click the follow button and also subscribe. Thank you for watching.